Hello friend, this is me your friend. Today I'm going to teach you how to download Turbo C++ to write program. As my all the friends are asking for to teach how to learn C programming, so I will teach today how to download Turbo C++ because Turbo C++ is the program where we can write C program. As there are many C programming application, but as for the beginner I will suggest to use Turbo C++. As there are many application in my computer, there are three applications like Turbo C++, Dev C++, and Code Block. And if you have in your computer this language, then it's okay, or if you haven't, then I will teach. As first, go in Firefox and write download Turbo C++. Then go to Turbo C++ for download Windows Softpedia and download, and click here and it will be download in your computer. As I have in my computer Turbo C++, so I will not download. So if you have download, then it's okay. So here is Turbo C++, then you can open it. And you can see the page like this. Okay, thank you for the first session, that is how to download Turbo C++. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and see next video to learn more.